Hey there, savvy investors and entrepreneurs. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever thought about starting your own LLC, you're in the right place. But here's the kicker. Today, we're talking about one of the best kept secrets in the business world, setting up a Wyoming LLC. Now you might be thinking, wait, why Wyoming? Is this some kind of tax haven fantasy? Well, yes and no. But let me tell you, setting up an LLC in Wyoming is like opening the door to a whole new world of tax benefits, asset protection, and privacy. Think of it like a treasure chest, but without all the pirate ships trying to steal it from you. So in today's video, we're breaking it all down for you step by step on how to set up your Wyoming LLC like a pro. Whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to protect your assets and save on taxes, this video is going to give you everything you need to know. And spoiler alert, by the end, you'll be ready to hit the ground running. And hey, before we dive into the details, do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone you know who's thinking about starting their own business or protecting their assets. Trust me, this is the kind of info you'll want to pass along. All right, let's first talk about why Wyoming. Sure, Delaware and Nevada are great options for setting up an LLC, but Wyoming has some distinct advantages that make it an LLC powerhouse. Here's why Wyoming stands out. No state income tax. That's right, Wyoming doesn't have state income tax. Zero, nada, zilch. That means your LLC isn't taxed on the income it generates at the state level. Imagine what you could do with those savings. Strong asset protection. Wyoming is known for its bulletproof asset protection laws. This means your personal assets are well protected from creditors or lawsuits. Privacy. In Wyoming, you can keep your name off the public records, so your personal information stays private. If you're someone who likes to keep things on the down low, this is a big win. Low fees. The cost to set up and maintain an LLC in Wyoming are typically much lower than other states, which means you can keep your money where it belongs, in your business. Honestly, Wyoming is like that super smart, low-key friend who's just crushing it at everything but doesn't brag about it. And who doesn't want to be friends with that guy? Okay, so now that you know why Wyoming is so awesome for LLCs, let's talk about the step-by-step process of setting one up. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through each step like your personal LLC guide with no stress and no confusing jargon. First things first, you need a name for your LLC. Simple, right? But here's the catch. You need a name that's unique and not already taken in Wyoming. If your dream LLC name is already snatched up, don't fret, just get a little creative. Maybe add LLC to the end of your business name or use a catchy word that fits your brand. Also, try to avoid names that sound like Super LLC or Superhero Enterprises. Trust me, the state's gonna have some questions about that. Keep it professional, and you'll be good to go. Next up, you need to appoint a registered agent. This person or service is responsible for receiving important documents like legal notices and tax forms on behalf of your LLC. It can be a trusted person who lives in Wyoming or a professional service. You can even hire a service that specializes in being a registered agent. The cool part? Wyoming makes this easy, and there are tons of services out there that will do it for you for a small fee. Now it's time to file the Articles of Organization. This is basically the official paperwork that creates your LLC. You can file online with the Wyoming Secretary of State for a low filing fee, around $100. Don't worry, this isn't some 50-page document that requires a law degree to understand. It's a simple form, and you'll need to provide basic info like your LLC name, registered agent, and business address. Boom, done. Now let's talk about the operating agreement. This document outlines how your LLC will be run, including how profits will be split, who's in charge, and how decisions are made. While it's not legally required in Wyoming, it's highly recommended. Think of the operating agreement as your LLC's rule book. Even if you're a one-person show, this is a great way to clarify how you want things to go down. Plus, it'll save you a lot of headaches in the future if things get complicated. Trust me on this one. Next up, you'll need to get an EIN, which is basically a social security number for your LLC. You'll use it to open a business bank account, file taxes, and handle any legal matters related to your LLC. And no, you don't need to pay anyone for this. You can get an EIN directly from the IRS website for free. It's as simple as filling out a form online. It's like getting a VIP pass for your LLC. Alright, after you've got your LLC set up, you'll need to file an annual report with the state every year. Don't worry, it's not a huge deal. It's just a form confirming your LLC's details, and it costs around $50. So, yeah, if you've ever had to file taxes, think of this as the lazy cousin of paperwork. Not hard at all, but still needs to be done. And remember, you can do this online. Easy peasy. Now that you've set up your LLC, it's important to keep track of some ongoing responsibilities. While Wyoming is incredibly business-friendly, you still need to stay on top of things to avoid any surprises. Like I mentioned before, Wyoming doesn't have a state income tax, which is amazing, but you'll still need to file your federal taxes with the IRS. If your LLC has employees, you'll also need to handle payroll taxes and file those accordingly. Your registered agent has to be available to receive documents on your behalf, so make sure they're doing their job. Depending on your business, you might need to apply for a local business license. Always check with local government for specifics, and that's it, your complete guide to setting up a Wyoming LLC. See, it's not that complicated, and it could save you a ton of money and headaches in the long run. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and set up your Wyoming LLC today. Trust me, it'll be the best decision you ever make for your business. Whether you're looking for tax savings, asset protection, or just a super friendly state to do business in, Wyoming's got your back. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more amazing tips, and share it with anyone who's thinking about starting their own business. Let's help more people save on taxes and protect their hard-earned assets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, good luck with your Wyoming LLC.